I've got to do this, I guess. Goodbye, Joe, from here I kiss you. Goodbye, Joe, I hope I don't miss you. If we'd been on the square and you treated me fair, we'd not had a tiff. If you had not said I should go and jump right off the nearest cliff. If you had stayed off the make and had never have taken to coming home stiff. If I had not smelled perfume with a nasty, unfamiliar whiff. I'm gonna miss you, baby. Things could have been terrific. Oh, what's the diff? If you not had the cheek to stay out for a week, saying back in a jiff. If you were not such a two-time guy. If you weren't, if you hadn't, if you didn't, if you weren't, if you hadn't, if you didn't, but you were, and you have, and you were, and you did. And so goodbye. If I had not seen you take Geraldine on the lake in your flat bottom skiff. If you were not out with Sue with your arms around her bare midriff. If I had not seen you pen sexy letters to Gwen in your own hieroglyph. If you had not left me home when you had 2 seats for self-defense. I'm gonna miss you, baby. And I could get specific, but what's the diff? If you are not such a hound, the game was around, always pick up a sniff. If you were not such a two-time guy. If you weren't, if you hadn't, if you didn't, if you weren't, if you hadn't, if you didn't, but you were, and you have, and you went, and you did. And so goodbye. If, when I asked for your opinion, not clip my chin with a beautiful biff. If I had not always found the lipstick on your handkerchief. If you not looked in my eyes and told me lies with a smile you a tip. If, when I caught you with cakes, you would not say it's a messy gift. I'm gonna miss you, baby. And I could get specific, but what's the diff? If the best years of my life weren't spent as your wife with no marriage certificate. If you were not such a two-time guy. If you weren't. If you hadn't. If you didn't, if you weren't, if you hadn't, if you didn't, if you hadn't, and you could have, though you didn't, and you should have. If you didn't, if you weren't, if you hadn't, if you didn't, but you were, and you have, and you went, and you did. And so goodbye. See you later, Joe. Thank you so much. We're so glad to be here. For our last song, we're going to let Assaf really show off his piano skills. Rock it out, Assaf. Perhaps it was something that hit me. Perhaps it was something I ate. But out of the blue, I dreamed I met you. And you said to me,
Hiya, Gate.
millions have heard you play Chopin. The critics applaud and approve. But millions more would simply adore to hear you get in the groove. I said to hear you get in the groove. I said to hear you get in the groove. You won't believe it, you think it's a dream to hear him riffing it out on the beam. But when you hear trumpets giving a call, you know the joint is really jumping down down at Carnegie Hall. Instead of Strauss, they play Irving Berlin. Instead of Brahms, it's Begin the Begin. Those classic Yankees are due for a fall, 'cause the joint is really jumping down at Carnegie Hall. They're playing Deedly-yada, Deedly-yada, Shostakovich, Deedly-yada, Deedly-yada, Mozart and Bach, Deedly-yada, Deedly-yada, but they don't know which, 'cause anything can happen when they start to rock. The Philharmonic is so dignified, but now they're grooving and starting to ride. Handel and Haydn are facing a wall, 'cause the joint is really jumping down at Carnegie Hall. They swing everything with that ding dong, and when the maestro gives them a beat, it's a real beat that starts them a toot. It's a rude toot and a feeling alright. Even our South is getting hip. He's hip, he's hip, boy. Tchaikovsky would simply be hurt to hear him driving his piano concert. Beethoven's lucky he can't hear it all, 'cause the joint is really jumping. The joint is really jumping. The joint is really jumping, and I mean it down at Carnegie. Oh yeah. Thank you.